Good morning, students. Today you will study Geography Chapter 1 Environment. So, I would request you to everyone, please watch my video very carefully and enjoy my video, and please do the homework. So, let us understand what is environment. What is environment? Whatever you see in our environment, in our surroundings, is known as environment. For example, tables, chairs, open field, road, garbage, my friends, mountains, rivers, trees, animals, cars, clothes, books are parts of our environment. Let us try to know more about environment. Environment is our basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, means the air we breathe, it provides the air also. The water we drink, it is provided by our environment. The food we eat, and the land where we live. So this, the air, the water, the food and the land, these are provided by our environment. Now students, let us understand the components of environment with the help of picture. Okay, now see the components of environments. So means parts of environment. So first natural and second human made environment. So what do you mean by natural? Natural means which is made by our God, which is not made by human beings, is known as natural environments. Let's see the example. First, sea water, which is also known as hydrosphere, air, atmosphere, land, lithosphere, and living things, which is known as biosphere. Now human made, like building is made by human. You see the park, it is also made by the human. Bridges, roads, industries and monuments mean buildings, these are made by the human beings. That's why it is known as human made environments. So students, you understood, these are the natural and human made, these are the components of environment, parts of environment. Now let us know human environment, like individual, these are the also part of environment. Individual, family, community, religion, education, economic and political situation, they are also the environment. This is known as components of environment. So these are also the component of environment. Now students, I hope you have understood. Now let us know the terms related to natural environment, like lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Okay, so first let us understand lithosphere, which is also, you know, the land is also lithosphere. So suppose students, this is our earth. Okay, So the top layer of the earth, this layer, this top layer of the earth is known as crust. So lithosphere, it is made of rocks, means it is made of rocks and minerals. On it we find mountain, plateau, plains, valley and forest. Now let us understand hydrosphere. Hydrosphere, students, is a concept which is made of water in any form. Like, see the example, comprises of source of water, means hydrosphere is a comprises of source of water like rivers, lakes, oceans and so on. Means hydrosphere is made of, in one word we say, rivers, lakes, oceans. These forms the hydrosphere. It is essential for all living organism. Now let us understand atmosphere. Atmosphere, I told you, air also. The layer of air. Atmosphere means it is the layer of air that surrounds the earth, which is around our earth. It protects us from harmful rays and scorching heat of the sun. It also helps our the harmful rays of the sun. It consists of a number of gases. It means, students, air has a number of gases, means many gases, dust particles and water vapor also, means it has a water vapors in our atmosphere. Now let us understand the last word, biosphere. Biosphere means living things. See, it is a narrow zone of the earth. It is a narrow zone, a small zone. It is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water, and air interact with each other. Interact means communicate with each other to support life. So that's why it is known as biosphere. Students, now we will understand with the help of pictures. See, students, this is lithosphere. You can see there are many houses made on the land, which is known as lithosphere, and you can also see this part river part, which has it shown the hydrosphere, which is made of water, and you can see here in the sky atmosphere, where the aeroplane is flying, and here all these atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, these together forms biospheres. So you can say a little part of the atmosphere here, and you can see the little part of lithosphere, these are houses, and you can see the little part of these living things which have made biosphere. So I hope you have understood this topic well. Students, I have also given you some of the examples in the last, so please do the examples and exercise. Thank you. This is the exercise. You have to answer the following questions. What is an ecosystem? What do you mean by natural environment? Which are the major components of the environment? And give 4 examples of the human-made environment. What is lithosphere? Which are the 2 major components of biotic environment? And what is biosphere? Next question, you have to do take the correct answer, and third, you have to do this, match the following. And next question, you can do this, 4th and 5th. So students, you can do this exercise by pausing the video. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.